Welcome back to the last part of WPF tabbed window. Let's get straight into it. We're using the tab control from Syncfusion because it gets the job done and it's free. There are many options to use, like DevExpress tab control with a sleek design and tons of features, but it's a paid control. Another option was Microsoft's built-in tab control. While it's a solid choice, it's a bit too basic for our requirements. As you can see, I have bound item source and selected item to the properties from the view model. Let's install the XAML behaviors library from Microsoft, since Syncfusion Tab Control doesn't provide a built-in way to add a new tab using MVVM, making it difficult to trigger the Add New Tab command from our view model. By leveraging this library, we can attach an event trigger to the new button click event of the Syncfusion Tab Control. This trigger invokes the Add New Tab command in our view model, effectively decoupling the UI event from the command execution. Here in the Style tag, we are setting the header of the tab to the Navigation tab property header and the content to the Content property of Navigation tab. this step, we're establishing a connection between our view model and its corresponding view. By doing so, when we set the content of a navigation tab to a specific view model, the associated view will be automatically displayed in the tab's content.
Nothing behind my eyes. I'm a negative of a person. And as if I never thought anything. All I want is blackness and silence.
We are also setting a trigger to check if the content is empty or null. If it is, then we show a default view with buttons that will be used to open other modules. If the content is not empty or null, the associated view to that view model will be shown inside the tab. I made a mistake in the main view model. I should have set the content of the new tab to empty instead of setting it to main view model. Now I'm creating commands in all modules view models to check if the data context of the modules is working or not. Let's run the application. As you can see, I can navigate to any module from the Home tab. If the module is already opened in some tab, then that tab will be selected, else the module will be opened in a new tab. You can also see that each module can execute its own command. Instead of manually adding 3 buttons for each module, let's use the module list collection from the Navigation tab class with an items control, which will create a button for each module item in the collection. That's it for our WPF tabbed window. Thanks for watching. I may add new features or updates to this project in the future, so stay tuned for that. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching.